Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System is installed at the ALCOA Aluminium Factory in France. ALCOA is the world's leading producer of primary and fabricated aluminum, as well as the world's largest miner of bauxite and refiner of alumina. Their facilities in France produce technologically advanced products. These include aluminum sheets and plates, aluminum architectural products and systems, fasteners and fastener installation systems, and aircraft frame components. The Vulcan S10 is installed. The Vulcan S25 is installed. The Vulcan S100 is installed. The Vulcan S25 is installed. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, tuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.